just give it one more second, and then, of course, we'll get started. Thank you so much for your patience. In the meantime, I'm just going to say hello to um, everyone in chat. Long term, hello. Herman Susanto, greetings. Sabrina, hello. Ridwan Mata Ako, I wonder, I'm thinking this is probably either Indonesian or Malay. By the way, we do have a separate channel for both of these, so you can enjoy the live streams in your native language. Global feed, hello. Be Goodness Automotive Way High, very interesting name. Putri Ega, hello. Dikshan, hello. Vin Eric, hello. Please, I'm yet to verify my account. How do I go about it? You can actually process the verification process in your personal area, in your profile. And if you are having any issues, you can just click on the left-hand side of the platform. You can click on help and contact our support. They will be happy to assist you. I'm going to go ahead and switch to the platform to see if you can hear me and if you can see me well. Wow, my friends, this is about the same situation that I had last week. And I just made a test stream to make sure that everything's okay. And it was fine, but now it's freezing again. But let's just give it 1 second. I'm sure everything's going to catch up. And we are going to start. Mahmoud Osman, hello from Egypt. We have Kartik. Now it's good. Yay, I see. Okay, so it's getting better. It's getting better. Thank you. Thank you. Kartik Heya from India. Manasseh, your picture is skipping. Thank you. Thank you so much for that feedback. Melvin George. Hi, ma'am. Lots of love from India. Hello, hello. Better now. Better now. Fantastic, my friends. I'm just waiting. I have already switched to the platform view. Let's just wait for that to catch up. And of course, we'll get started. Once again, everybody, welcome. My name is Angie. I'm a financial analyst with Olymp Trade. And today we are going to speak about company stocks. Today, specifically about Tesla and Amazon. Thank you. Thank you so much for your patience, my friends. Unique concept. Hello. While I'm just waiting for the video to buffer just one more, maybe 30 seconds or so, I just want to go ahead and mention, my friends, if you are new or joining for the first time, go ahead and make sure that you are subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up and ring the bell so that you don't miss out on any of our notifications whenever we start our live streams, and basically so that you don't miss out on anything new. Okay, we have Algeria in the house. Hello, hello. Can't read your name, but hello. Alrighty, so I think everything is okay with the sound and the picture now. I'm going to go ahead and get started. So first we're going to speak about the companies, and then we are going to speak about the earnings report. And then, of course, we'll look at the chart to see how everything is doing with that. Hello, Nazir. Welcome, welcome. All right, so I think let's first talk about Tesla. So Tesla is a vehicle manufacturer. It was founded in 2003 by a group of engineers who wanted to prove that people didn't need to compromise to drive electric. That electric vehicles, cars, can be better, they can be quicker, and they can be more fun to drive than gasoline cars. The company also produces scalable clean energy generation and storage products such as Powerwall, PowerPack, and Solar Roof, which enables homeowners and businesses and utilities to manage renewable energy generation, storage, and consumption. Sounds pretty cool, right? I think everything's okay with the sound in the picture now. My friends, I do see that everything is up and running now, so please wait for maybe the video to buffer, but I'm going to go ahead and continue. So since 2008, the company is being run by Elon Musk. I'm sure you've heard of him. He is an engineer, an industrial designer, a technology entrepreneur, and philanthropist. A philanthropist is a person who donates time, money, experience, skills, or talent to help make the world a better place. Some people even call him a genius. In 2002, Elon Musk launched a company called SpaceX, which makes rockets. Their biggest advance is that they are reusable, which is also really, really cool. Now, I wanted to share this quote with you from Elon Musk about SpaceX, and it says, "You want to wake up in the morning and think the future is going to be great. And that's what being a spacefaring civilization is all about. It's about believing in the future and thinking that the future will be better than the past. And I can't think of anything more exciting than going out there and being amongst the stars." That's a really, really cool quote from Elon Musk from the SpaceX, no, from SpaceX. Now, let's talk a little bit about some numbers. Shares of Tesla rose over 250% from the year to date, so from year on year. Last week on Monday, we see right here on July the 13th, the shares rallied and created a whopping high of 1792.21. By Friday's close, their shares were trading slightly lower at 1499.65. By the way, if you are new and joining for the first time, I just want to mention if you put your cursor on any of the candlestick in the bottom left corner is where you can see all the price details, the opening price, the high price, the low, and the close. Alrighty, so and currently the price of shares is at 1497.96. It's basically remaining in a flat. Tesla's market capitalization is nearing 300 billion. Now, it does seem like the stock rally is overpriced. Now, the second quarter report will be very closely watched by investors. The thing is that Tesla will be eligible to be included into the S&P 500 index if it reports 4 consecutive quarters of profitability, and they already have 3 profitable quarters under their belt. If Tesla is included in the S&P 500, this could raise the demand for shares. Tesla is, by the way, also experiencing a positive investor sentiment because they are ramping up production on their commercial trucks. So this is another really, really cool thing. I did want to show you this. This is one of their plants in Nevada. I guess it's Gigafactory. And I think it just looks so amazing with all the solar lights and the basically it just looks amazing. I just wanted to show you that. So and now I think let's go ahead and talk a little bit about. We'll come back to this chart in just a minute. What we'll do is we'll go ahead and switch to Amazon. Let's look at Amazon. Let's talk about Amazon, and then we'll continue and we'll talk about the earnings reports. My friends, I do see in chat that some people are saying that the video is still buffering and freezing. But to me, it does seem like everything is fine. I can try to turn off my camera. This may improve the quality of the video. So let's go ahead and continue this way. No problems. Alright, so Amazon. Amazon is a multinational technology company that focuses on e-commerce, cloud computing, digital streaming, and artificial intelligence. It is a very well-known company, and Amazon market capitalization is compatible with Apple. It is around $1.2 trillion. And by the way, the CEO, Jeff Bezos, is the richest businessman in the world. With a net worth of approximately 145 billion. Bill Gates is now in second place with a net worth of 104 billion, my friends. Now with Amazon, Now, with Amazon, the picture is a bit more clear, I think, due to the pandemic outbreak. Many people were forced to stay at home, and the situation with the coronavirus is clearly not yet under control. The bottom line is that people and corporations are very likely not only to continue making purchases online, but may also increase their volume. Now, especially happy are the Amazon Prime customers who pay an annual fee and get a lot of great perks. For example, free shipping, music, and video content. Okay, I'm sorry, my friends. I'm not understanding what's going on in chat. If you can see me or if you can't see me with my picture, okay, I'm going to go ahead and turn my face back on and see if everything's working. My friends, please let me know in chat. Can you see me and can you, well, I know you can hear me clearly. Please let me know if the video is buffering. The main picture that you need to see is basically the chart. Amazon also created an amazing high on Monday, July the 13th. We can see that right here. We created a high of 3343.87. By Friday's close, the stock was trading slightly below the 13 EMA. We can see that right here. And it closed at 29.57.54. Today, as the market has opened, the price opened with a gap up. We are now on a daily time frame. I'm looking at the daily time frame right now, and the price is above the 13 EMA, and we actually broke above my first level of resistance. The picture looks a little bit more interesting on the 1 hour time frame. Okay. As you can see, the price was below the 13 EMA, and we had the support at 29.56.41. And we can see that the price is above the 48 EMA. The 13 EMA is pointing up, and we're above this 3029.90 resistance, which is now acting as support along with the 48 EMA. Now, I do have to mention that I was watching as the market opened. I didn't get in quite on time, but I do have my trade is already opened. As you can see right here, I opened my trade up, and my take profit is at my next level of resistance, which is around 119.45. Okay. Everybody can see me, everybody can hear me. Fantastic. So this was my briefing about Amazon. So now let's turn to the earnings reports. Now, an earnings report is a way that a publicly traded company reports its financial results for a period. Investors can use a company's earnings report to gain insight into how well a company is run and whether the company is performing well. A lot of times the earnings reports are lengthy in content and not very easy to read. And by the way, many companies have an accompanying press release where they discuss and go over all the details. And both Tesla and Amazon will have such a conference call if you want to check it out. The thing that I want to mention and remind you about is that the earnings reports are really scrutinized by investors to see if they want to purchase the company's shares and include them in their investment portfolios. But remember that on our platform, we can speculate and make a profit on both the price increase and the price decrease of shares without actually purchasing them. So this is really cool. And so today I want to go over the three main factors that we see on the earnings calendar. Okay, give me just 2 seconds here. So this is the earnings calendar. Let me go ahead and change this back to Tesla. Okay, stocks. Go back to Tesla. So you see on the hourly time frame, we are just flat. We are slightly below the 13 EMA and slightly above the 48 EMA, but we are We are flat. So on the earnings report, this is for Tesla. So you see the next earnings report is on July the 22nd. I do believe that it is after the market closes. Um, and the things that I just want to go over some of the main factors that we see on the earnings report. And these are EPS, which is earnings per share, revenue, and market capitalization. Okay, so earnings per share, EPS, is a company's net profit divided by the number of common shares it has outstanding. EPS indicates how much money a company makes for each share of its stock. Now, dividends have an effect on EPS. To put it simply, dividend payout means that the company shares a part of their profit with its shareholders by sending them money. What we have to remember is that the higher the earnings per share of a company, the better is its profitability. So we are looking for a higher, a good earnings per share. And these are the three quarters that we're talking about. Profitability, whoop, whoop. Now, both Tesla and Amazon do not pay out dividends. They prefer to retain the earnings to finance future company growth and expansion. And this is also good in its own way for company growth and consequently the price of shares. The next thing is revenue. Revenue is the total amount of income generated by the sale of goods or services related to the company's primary operations. Revenue indicates how effective a company is at generating sales without taking into account the cost of operating. If you want to consider the liabilities, liabilities are spending, then you should pay attention to the income or net income, which basically describes how efficient a company is with its spending and managing its operating costs. And finally, right here we have our market capitalization. Market capitalization is the total dollar value of all outstanding shares of the company. It is calculated by multiplying the price of a stock by its total number of outstanding shares. For example, if a company has 20 million shares and they're selling at $50 per share, this would be that the company's market capitalization is $1 billion. Okay, so everything's, well, kind of simply put. Okay, and another thing that I would like to mention, I'm sorry, I'm trying to keep pay attention to the chat at the same time. I'm just going to come back to the chat a little bit later. Another thing that I like to look at, if you basically just Google Tesla quarterly reports or Amazon quarterly reports, what you'll find is a website, and I've noticed that a lot of times they have a separate website for the investors, and a lot of times they'll have this IR in front of the link. So right here it says ir.tesla.com. And Amazon is also kind of similar. It's ir.aboutamazon.com. So another thing that I like to mention, so whenever you do open this, what you want to open is I usually open the PDF file. And in the report, what I like to look for is the outlook and the summary. But what I did notice is that both the outlook in Tesla and in Amazon is full of uncertainty, and they said that they will do a revaluation and they are going to make another prediction and outlook and summary during the second quarter. So it's going to be really, really, really interesting to watch, and we'll see what the company's outlook is now. I personally remain of a bullish bias for both companies, more so for Amazon and cautiously for Tesla. So my friends, I wish that I could open some trades with you. Let's see how flat we're trading on the Tesla. Okay, so this was our market open, and now we are trading around here. Let's see at a 10-minute time frame. Well, actually, on 10-minute time frame, let me take a peek right here. So this could be my channel. Give me just a moment. About like this. So I can expect that the price will bounce from this resistance and starts moving down. Oh, did I miss it? Did I miss it? I'm going to lower my... Oh, this is Forex. Just 2 seconds. Let me check if Tesla is available on FTT. It is not. Well, I do apologize, but for Tesla, I'm not going to trade this flat. But what we can see is that I am trading on the Amazon. Oh, by the way, let me go ahead and while I'm still here on the Tesla stock, I have identified some levels of support and resistance for the future. Okay, so our nearest level of resistance is at 1541.53. Our next level of resistance is going to be around 1666.04. Higher up, we have 1730.29, and then higher up, it was the high that was created right here, and that is going to be 15, excuse me. Oh, yes, I'm sorry, I was looking at the wrong candlestick. The high of around 1792.21. Our support, our immediate support is around 1454.91. Following that, we have support around 1389, which is also the 13 EMA. And then I was looking at these gaps right here that the price has made. The price may attempt to close these gaps, so I'm looking at further support around 1219.58 and further down around the 48 EMA, which is 1133.13. On Amazon, I also created some targets. Let's look at that. And actually today we broke above our first price target. The price is trying to reach my target at the next resistance. So on my next resistance where I have my take profit is 3119.45. Higher up we have 3186.24. And then we have 3262.35, and then that high that was created on Monday, which is 3343.87. Our support is 2956, and then 2886.46. Now, my friends, I do have Money K said he sees the FTT Tesla. Why am I not seeing it? Oh, I missed it right there. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I was looking at the 10-minute time frame. Let's see if I already missed my opportunity. Give me just 2 seconds. Let me draw my trend line, form my channel. Let's see, something about like this, maybe even a little bit higher. I'm going to look at it like that. And this is going to be my support. So yes, actually I still think since I'm looking at the 10-minute time frame, the way that we work with FTT is that my expiration time, the duration time should be ×2 or ×3. So 10 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and go for 30-minute price duration, and I'm going to lower the amount of my trade to 20, and I'm going to open a down trade. Now, you do have to remember that, oh, this is Tesla. Yes, and on Amazon, I opened a trade up with a higher amount because we broke this resistance and we're moving up. Well, this is the 10-minute time frame. I was looking at the 1-hour time frame. So this is the way the cookie crumbles. Now, my friends, I do have my surprise for you today. It's not really a surprise. If you come to all of the live streams, then you'll be up to date as well. Last week we had a stream about Fibonacci, and during the stream I told you I asked you to leave your comments below this post in our community. So you basically just come to our YouTube page, and on the top is where you see the videos and the playlist. And basically, one of the tabs is called the community. And here we post a lot of important information. We post technical targets for the week, a lot of different announcements, and so forth. So last week on Monday, it was July the 13th, we made our post with technical targets. And I asked for you to leave your comments below the post, and don't forget to include your account ID number. We had a total of 13 comments. Thank you so much. One of the people, unfortunately, did not leave their account ID number, but if you are the winner, we'll have to see. Maybe you are in chat with us today. What I'm going to do is I went ahead, and as you can see all of your names right here and your account ID numbers if you participated. I have made this Google sheet, I would say, with the same all of the names, but you are now assigned a number. So basically, we have a total of 13 comments, and I'm going to use this website. It is called random.org, and it's going to choose a random number for me. So the minimum is 1, the maximum is 13. And if you are ready to, we're going to choose our comment and give out a $10 risk-free trade. My friends, I do see you in chat. Please give me just a moment and I will be with you to answer your questions. Let me just first find the winner of our risk-free trade. So if you're ready, I'm ready. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Pa-pam! The result is the winner is number 1. Who is number 1? Number 1 is, well, the name is number 1 K subscriber, please, without videos. That is the name of our commentator. I trade on Euro US dollar with Jack Tar SMA 50, 100, 300. Well, that's a little bit unclear to me, but that's not a problem. The ID number of our dear trader is 51258994. My big congratulations to our dear winner. Once again, the ID number is 51258994. Congratulations. You are going to check your account. You are going to receive a $10 risk-free trade. Thank you so much for participating. And of course, just as a quick little reminder before I turn to chat, make sure, my friends, that you are subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up and ring the bell so that you don't miss any of the notifications and you can participate in these giveaways as well. Okay, Manasesh is asking, answer me please. Some of us trading using Android phone don't have laptops, so how can we find this accent? Do you mean this the Tesla stocks? If they should be available on the same platform, Manasesh, if you can, please contact our support team. On your Android phone, you should also have a section with a help tab, and you can contact our support. They will be they will be able to better assist you. I don't know, they may ask you what kind of Android phone you have, and other questions to better assist you. And they will be they'll be happy to help you find everything on the platform so you can trade comfortably. LOL, you can start with support and resistance lines and the various strategies discussed on this channel and many others. It's a gradual process. You cannot become an expert in one day. Yes, you are correct. Thank you so much for that comment. Let's see here. Oh, I'm going to try to pronounce this name. Kaliyaperumal. If I mispronounce that, please forgive me. I have many mistakes in movement of direction. Please help me. The thing that I would like to suggest here is that basically the problem is I cannot see what mistakes you've made. But we do have a beginner's course on our YouTube channel. There's a playlist, beginner's course for Forex and beginner's course for FTT, where we go over all the details that you need to know in order to trade properly. Also, try trading on the demo account. If you are having some issues, or if the trades are not going that direction, then maybe switch to the demo account and evaluate what went wrong and why the price did not go as you predicted. If you LOL is saying, if you use barcode with 5 minute time frame for cryptocurrencies on Saturday and Sunday, it does work sometimes. Yes, yes, and don't forget, my friends, that cryptocurrencies are available to trade on the weekend. Alrighty, Randy Juvie, GBP JP. Oops, let me see here. GBP JPY should be dropping hard. It hits the resistance level. Let's see GBP JPY. I'm wondering what time frame you are looking at. I do see that the price is above the 13 and 48 EMA right now, but we are approaching a resistance at the 200 EMA. The price is currently moving kind of also in a flat in this price range. What's happening with AUD and ZD? Every time it's below 30%. Now you are talking about FTT, I do believe. You see the rate of return does fluctuate and it does change sometimes. So yes, some of them do have a smaller rate of return, and you do want to generally probably try to trade with a higher rate of return. How that changes, unfortunately, once again, you can probably contact our support team, who will be able to answer that better. No, there is no promo code for today, my friends. The registration for Olymp Trade is free. That was answering for Irabi and Mohammed Assad. Alrighty, my friends. Let me see here. If you can see me, I just want to come back online and say goodbye with my full face. Thank you so much for joining today. I hope you got some useful information, and you'll be watching these reports for Tesla and Amazon when they come out on the 22nd of July and the 23rd. And I'm going to be watching them, and I'm going to be trading them. We are going to continue. Our next stream is on Wednesday, same time at 5 p.m. We'll continue talking about different company stocks that are reporting in the near future, and next Monday and Wednesday as well. Once again, thank you so much for joining today. Please make sure that you are subscribed and give this video a thumbs up. And my friends, I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.